I can tell you this morning, some folks may be wanting to go on vacation just to escape the winter weather that continues to make its way through western Oregon. Seeing that heavy rain once again pushing into the northwest corner of the state. Here's the thing, though, this is a whole new storm. We made it through the storm yesterday. That's now pushing all the way over into Montana, but another one is going to impact us here today. Here's a look at the peak wind gusts. Impressive yesterday. Mary's Peak got up to 70 miles per hour. Newport at 62 miles per hour. Timberline Lodge saw the highest winds in western Oregon yesterday, 81 miles per hour. That's there at the top of Mount Hood. And here in Eugene, didn't see any of those high wind gusts, but sustained winds were consistently in the teens all day, all night, and they're right there again this morning as well. It'll still be breezy today, just not as extreme as what we saw yesterday. In terms of rainfall, that was also impressive, picking up 4/10 in Eugene, almost that much in Corvallis. Most locations along the coast picking up at least half of an inch. Head south to Brookings, they got over an inch and a half yesterday. Roseburg picking up about 4/10 for you as well. Now, temperatures have not fallen, and that's because that front yesterday didn't really have an air mass change with it. So we stayed in the low 50s all the way down the I-5 corridor. Right now in the mid to upper 50s as you head out to the coast, even east of the Cascades, where you've seen some clearer conditions, still 39 degrees in Sun River this morning. Here's that next cold front, Storm Tracker 9, live radar showing that heavy rain across the northwest corner of the state, and that's going to make its way down to the south here in just the next hour or two. Already starting to see some light rain there near Roseburg on your way to Canyonville, and then also as you head out near Reedsport. So that cold front's going to keep us soggy all the way through this evening as it does make its way right here through western Oregon. Once we get through this storm tonight, we're in the clear. No other storms headed our direction for the next 7-day stretch, but it's going to get cold. Cold Arctic air mass moving down from the north, and that's going to bring in temperatures down to the mid-20s here overnight, even in the Willamette Valley. As for the rainfall, again, that's just over the next 12 hours. You can see heavy rain for all of us in western Oregon. Continues after lunchtime into this evening, but there at 7:15 p.m. already pushing down south of Eugene, and then by about 9 o'clock we'll be dry and we'll stay that way for the next week, but we do have the chance for a little bit of light snow late tonight across the Cascade Passes because that cold air is going to move in at the very tail end of when that precipitation is still coming. So could see another 1 to 2 inches there at the pass tonight. Otherwise, we dry out Wednesday and we do stay that way all the way through the weekend. The coast seeing highs in the mid-50s, still breezy, winds up to about 20 miles per hour. The Umpqua Basin mid to upper 50s for you, still seeing that rain. Otherwise cloudy and winds will stay from the south 5 to 10 miles per hour today. Sandian Pass and Willamette Pass back to the low 40s with that freezing level clipped at 6,500 feet. But again, that does drop tonight. We'll see those overnight lows falling to the upper 20s. Those of you in the foothills, your low temperatures also down close to that freezing mark tonight. Central Oregon, mild today. You'll see those showers tonight, though, and then cooling down overnight, falling to the mid to upper 20s. Still a bit breezy, too, for you this afternoon. And for the valleys, mid-50s during the day, mid-30s overnight tonight. We'll see that rain through this evening. Breezy conditions as well, similar to what we saw yesterday. And then here's that 7-day forecast. For the coast, this dry weather does also mean offshore winds, which means you should be sunny from Wednesday all the way through the weekend. Mid-50s during the day, mid-30s overnight. For the Umpqua Basin, upper 40s for high temperatures, morning fog, afternoon sunshine, and then falling below freezing Wednesday night all the way through Saturday night. And for the Cascades, that freezing level will actually start to climb. Dry, sunny conditions there, but still down into the 20s overnight. And for the Willamette Valley, our high temperatures only getting to the mid-40s. Overnight lows falling to the mid to upper 20s. It's going to be chilly, but we should get some nice sunshine, and it will be dry after tonight.